Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to do voiceover on TikTok. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. When the app is open, you have to tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now start recording a video. Then tap on the tick icon on bottom right corner. Now tap on the downward arrow button on the right hand side. And then tap on voiceover. Now long press on the record button and start speaking. When you are done, leave the record button. And then tap on save on top right corner. Then tap next on bottom right corner. Now tap on post to share this video. And that is how you can do voiceovers on TikTok. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And I'll see you in the next tutorial.